The EU's top court is likely to dismiss Hungary and Poland's request to annul the so-called rule of law mechanism, which aims to protect the bloc's budget. An opinion by the European Court of Justice's Advocate General said on Thursday that the EU's rule of law mechanism is in fact legal. This document is not the final verdict yet, but in most cases the Luxembourg judges follow it. The Hungarian government said the opinion is wrong.
We never opposed to have a strict control over the distribution system for EU funds. We always supported the EU institutions' right to investigate. For example, Olaf makes recommendations, and the Hungarian authorities are the ones that take these issues most seriously and investigate the most cases. What we are opposed to is baseless accusations.
The rule of law mechanism, once approved by the EU court, will enable Brussels to cut funds if there are systemic risks in the member states. One Hungarian financial journalist said Hungary and Poland have a good chance to avoid financial sanctions if they engage in dialogue with Brussels about the issues.
There is still a chance, not a small one, and we should not underestimate it, that we will have a lasting confrontation, and none of the countries will give in to the problems raised by the Commission in the rule of law regulation. In the end, there could be financial sanctions against one or the other countries.
The rule of law mechanism applies to corruption, misuse of funds and errors in the justice system, but it will not cover general rule of law deficiencies like concentration of power, election fraud and the erosion of media freedom.